Hey, it's Joe. Quick story from our Test Guild IRL in Chicago. I was speaking to someone and they pushed back when I said more AI generated code means more testers, not fewer. But his worry, AI testing can outpace a big team, so teams will shrink. I said, well, fair challenge. So today I want to try to prove my point of view. This video is sponsored by ZapTest AI. We'll check them out to see how their agentic automation works and whether their tech stack shrinks teams or expands what you can automate. All right, so as I was saying at the IRL, someone told me, Joe, AI could do more than a large QA team. Headcounts will drop. But Alex's take, and mine as well, is a little different. Teams won't necessarily get smaller. They'll redeploy that new capacity into things like RPA and business process automation like HR, finance, IT, back office. And so your role won't be eliminated, but it may morph a little bit of the type of testing and the type of automation you do. And ZapTest AI positions itself right there. One platform for test automation and all this process automation you could do as well. And ZapTest AI does claim something big. What used to take 10 people can be handled by 2. So the person did have a point, but 8 folks are freed up to ship more, not less automation. That's the big takeaway. And using this approach, Zap is talking up to 80% process cost reduction. And the more you could prove to your company that you could save them money by automating all these other things, you just made yourself more important for your team and organizations than ever. And I know you're thinking, this isn't your usual record and pray. It's autonomous, agentic automation, the kind that reads what you want and gets you moving. So here's the workflow. ZapTest AI reads your requirements, builds an automation-ready flow, and generates runnable scripts with a click. So instead of burning time on boilerplate and setup and creating crazy frameworks, you're shipping coverage faster and scaling smarter. The kicker? QA automation engineers aren't limited to just test. With the same platform, you can also automate processes across HR, finance, IT, real back office work as well. One platform for test automation and RPA. One investment that shows ROI beyond QA. So imagine cutting efforts by 80%. A project that needed 10 people done by 2, the other 8, not letting them go, but getting more done because they can now focus on pushing your automation strategy forward. So I'm curious to know your thoughts if the 2 engineers versus 10 claim holds up for your backlog. So try it for yourself using the link down below. Try it out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments as well. And as always, test everything and keep the good. Cheers.